Welcome to Phone Transformer. Today, we're diving into the essential tools for navigation as we explore the 5 best compass apps for Android. We'll break down their features and give you a closer look at their design. Now, let's get started. At number 5 on our list is the app simply called Compass. With a solid 4.4 rating from 17,000 reviews on the Play Store, this app is designed to be a lightweight and accurate offline navigation tool that works all over the world. Here are 3 standout features of this app. Simplest navigation. It's a straightforward tool that points directly to your chosen destination. Compass in status bar. You can quickly access compass data right from your phone's status bar, even when using other applications. Responsive and accurate. Despite its simplicity, it offers a highly responsive and accurate compass experience with a rich set of features. Now, let's take a quick look at the app's user interface. After installing, you'll land on the main home menu, which is clean and intuitive. You'll notice 3 horizon lines, helping you easily orient your device. There's also a lock option, allowing you to fix the compass reading if needed. Tapping the locations icon lets you manage and save your specific destinations. Finally, the 3 dots button in the corner opens up additional settings and configuration options, allowing you to personalize the compass with various themes and adjust units. At number 4 on our list, we have Compass and Altimeter. This app, boasting an impressive 4.8-star rating from over 117,000 reviews, serves as a simple and easy-to-use tool to provide useful information about your current position, including true geographic north and true altitude above sea level. Here are some of its standout features. Offline functionality. It works perfectly offline and without network access, making it reliable in remote areas. True altitude measurement. The app utilizes EGM96 as the GeoID reference to accurately compute your true altitude above mean sea level. Various display options. It offers a variety of dials and color themes, including high contrast to suit user preferences. Now, let's take a quick look at the app's user interface. Upon opening, you'll land on the home menu, which is your central hub. Tapping the arrow icon in the home session will allow you to quickly access essential compass readings. For more options, you can click the 3 dots icon, which typically reveals additional settings or tools. Inside these settings, you'll find a color option to customize the app's appearance, letting you choose your preferred theme. Finally, the eye icon usually provides information about the app itself, such as version details or a brief tutorial. At number 3 on our list, we have Compass Steel 3D. This app boasts a solid 4.6-star rating from over 81,000 reviews. It's an ad-free and user-friendly marine-style compass designed to guide you. Here are some of its standout features. Rich in features, this app provides multiple color themes and 2 compass modes, True North and Magnetic North, offering versatile navigation options. Sun and Moon. It displays the precise positions of the sun and moon, enhancing its utility beyond basic compass functions. Sun and moon tracking. You can track sunrise, sunset, moonrise, and moonset times, making it a comprehensive tool for outdoor activities. Now, let's take a quick look at its user interface. When you first open the app, you're greeted by the home menu, which is clean and intuitive. Tapping the down arrow button reveals additional options, expanding the app's functionalities. From there, you can access the settings icon, where you can customize your experience, including choosing themes or compass modes. Clicking on the sun and moon icon brings up the detailed sun and moon tracking information. Finally, the pop-up view icon offers a quick, minimized view of the compass, perfect for multitasking. At number 2 on our list, we have Smart Compass. This app, part of the Smart Tools collection, boasts a solid 4.4-star rating from 245,000 reviews. It's designed to help you find your bearings and directions using your device's built-in magnetic sensors. Here are 3 standout features. Fixed heading display. No matter how you hold your phone, the compass heading remains steady. Camera view for reality. You can overlay the compass direction onto a real-time camera view for an augmented reality experience. Built-in metal detector. It even includes a metal detector to help you verify your device's magnetic sensor accuracy. Let's take a quick look at the app's interface. Tapping the Home menu brings you to the main screen where you can see the compass. The layout icon allows you to switch between various compass modes, like standard, telescope, or map view. Clicking the 3 horizontal lines reveals a side menu with options for true north, azimuth types, and coordinate formats. The camera icon activates the camera view feature, letting you see the compass overlaid on your surroundings. Finally, the 3 dots button gives you access to additional settings and options for calibrating the compass. At number 1 on our list, we have Digital Compass. This highly rated app, boasting a 4.7-star average from nearly 493,000 reviews on the Play Store, is designed to be a high-precision and incredibly beautiful digital compass for your Android device. It's perfect for anyone needing reliable direction. Here are 3 of its standout features. Detailed location info. It displays your latitude, longitude, and current address, giving you precise geographic details. Comprehensive heading options. You can view both true heading and magnetic heading, providing versatile navigation data. Built-in level meter. The app includes a slope level meter, which helps you determine if a surface is even. Now, let's take a quick look at the app's user interface. Upon opening, you're greeted with the Home menu, which is the main compass display, showing your current direction and various numerical readings. Tapping the map icon seamlessly transitions you to a full-screen map, where you can see your location and surroundings in context. Next, we have the Settings icon. Clicking this opens up a menu with options to customize your compass experience, such as toggling between true and magnetic heading. Speaking of which, selecting the true heading option on the main screen allows you to switch your compass display to show true north, adjusting for magnetic declination. Finally, the Share icon lets you easily share your current location or compass readings with others, which can be very useful for coordinating with friends or in emergencies. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more app reviews and tech tips.